I want to talk about the top 5 meat for a diabetic patient. A diabetic patient is not prohibited from taking meat. Any diabetic patient needs protein in his meal, especially white meat. You can take about the size of your fist per meal. Top on the list is chicken. Chicken is top anytime, any day, because chicken has less fat. Chicken has a lot of protein, it has a lot of vitamins and minerals. So a diabetic patient can take chicken without any fear of his cholesterol being elevated, especially if it is skinless chicken. So you remove the skin and take it that way. But the question is, which part of the chicken has less fat and more protein and is the best for a diabetic patient? That is the chicken breast or the chest of the chicken. That part has very small amount of fat, more protein. So a diabetic patient, if you are to select the part of chicken that is best for you, is the chicken breast. Next on the list is turkey. Turkey is another meat that is very good for a diabetic patient because it is a white meat, less fat, less saturated fat, less cholesterol. You can take it. Similarly, the best part of the turkey that you can use is the turkey breast or the chest of the turkey because it has the lowest amount of fat in the whole turkey. Next on the list is fish. Fish, whichever type of fish you're using, is a good source of protein for a diabetic patient. Why? Because it has a lot of protein, vitamins, minerals, and it has omega-3, which is very good for the heart. So, but among the fish, there are other ones that are very good, include the mackerel, the sardine, and the salmon. They are top on the list in terms of the fish that you can use. Next on the list is the guinea fowl. Guinea fowl is also a very good bird that you can use as a good source of protein as a diabetic patient, not being concerned about your cholesterol level. So you can use it and there won't be much concern. Last on the list is lean meat or beef, the part of the beef that has no fat. This is the challenge for most diabetic patients, especially diabetic patients in areas where they consume a lot of beef, especially in northern Nigeria. So how do you cope? If you have a professional butcher that can take the part that has minimal or no fat, you can take small amount of it. And the part of the beef that has no fat is the lean meat. So you can use it without much concern. So these are the top 5 meat that a diabetic patient can use. Which one do you normally use?